Right, stop right there. If you're not using Adobe Express, let me give you a couple of reasons why you absolutely should be. All right, first up, you've got their generative AI powered by Adobe Firefly, so you can use text to image to search for any image you like using AI, and it will come up with it for you. And there you go. There's your elephant wearing a tutu taking a selfie. You've also got a bunch of other suggestions that you can choose from. You can just select them and they'll replace those. Awesome. Right, next you can use AI once again to create your own text effects. So you can type in some effect that you like. So let's look for a rainbow furry monster text. And there we go. It's give you a furry monster text effect, which again, you can choose the different results that you desire. You can also use the samples that it gives you. So the neon balloon is a particularly popular one. And there you go. How cool is that? And last but by no means least, it's the animations that you can now do on Adobe Express. So you can go in, and I love to use the looping animations. So you've got a bunch of different options to choose from. You've got wiggle, you've got yo-yo, pulse, and when you've chosen the one you want, you can go in and change the speed, the intensity, you can change the personality, all designed on here to make your images that a bit more creative and pop a little more. Awesome. So go and check it out for yourself. There's so much to do with Adobe Express. That's just a handful of my favorites, but yeah, totally free. Go and check it out.